Ah, there's a sport bike approaching. Oh yeah, the smell of gasoline. Oh yeah. If you ever met me, I'm sorry that I smell like sweat and gasoline fumes.
Thank you.
They're already going. With a passenger going uphill. Man, that bike must be working. I can't believe that dude on the 300 just absolutely cooked us. Dude on the and he had a passenger. Come on, Gordy, you're on a CVO. He's got a passenger right now. Altimeter check. 299 set. If you get that reference, we can be friends. Oh yeah, it's so nice up here. I think it would be really cool to have like a cabin or a little house up here somewhere. It's the policeman. So funny story. We did a Mount Charleston ride the one day. I got pulled over for a pretty hefty speeding ticket. And they were very nice and cool to me, so we always wave to the Metro guys. I definitely could have went to jail. I don't want to say exactly how fast I was going, because it's going to make me look very, very bad. But let's just say I was way over double. Check this thing out. I bet you guys haven't seen anything like this. So it's electric, and it's got this big old tire in the rear there. Look at this thing, looks fun. I don't know if that's like the actual company or anything. I don't know. I've never seen one of these, so I don't know what this is.
I go, for $1 million, would you jump from the chair onto this ladder here?
Oh,
no. She started wigging out.
She just started wigging out.
I'll tell you what. The only concern I would have is you'd have to launch from like the center of the chair, so you had less of the chair swaying away as you jumped.
Yeah.
But I go, fuck yeah, I'd do it for $1 million.
Fuck yeah, I'd do it for $1 million. Is there a consolation prize if you miss the ladder and hit the ground?
No, you don't get the $1 million. I told her though, I go, you'd use hand, butt cheek, whatever you have to not fall. You could do it
for $1 million. It's another day. We got something pretty exciting going on tonight with Red Rock Harley. There's an Aviators game. I don't know if you guys know what the Aviators are, but it's a minor league baseball team out here in Vegas. And the baseball park's amazing. But we gotta wash the bike first because it's filthy. And, you know, gotta have a clean bike, right? Whew. Yeah, it's warm.
It's really hot.
So, dude?
How's it going?
Oh, good, man. How are you?
All right.
How was work?
Another day there.
Another day there.
And then 2 regular fries, and then 2 medium drinks.
Pick up your credit.
I don't
I sold a bundle of guns straight through.
Well, good morning, guys. It's a very early morning here, and let me just put all this away here. Doing many things. Sorry about that. Close the visor. Maybe you guys can hear me a little better. It is nice having cruise control because I tend to do a lot of things on my bike, like filming and turning cameras on and uploading on my phone and all kinds of stuff. So it's kind of nice being able to set the bike and have my hands and then use obviously weight and balance to control the bike. So look at that beautiful sunrise. We are actually, Utah is that way and we're heading towards it. So we're gonna stop and get some gas so I don't run out like the last video. If you guys didn't see it, I ran out of gas and I'm gonna put that video up here so you guys should check that out. Oh. 8:15 ETA. Okay, all right. You know, I'm usually late, but today I'm not that late, so hey, I'm doing pretty good. Sunrise in the desert. Oh, this is so cool. I don't know if you guys have ever gone to Zion here in Utah or rode into it, but it is absolutely stunning. It's one of my all-time favorite rides, and it's been a while since we've been back.
So we found ourselves in Area 51. I mean,
Yeah, a version of.
Area 51. This is a super secret part of the Krause headquarters.